Yo, am I recording? I did not know I started the stream. Yeah, I'm recording. Alright, so I did not know I started the stream. So let's get to it then. Alright, well, we're here now. We're here now. Today is January 24th, 2025. We've been on a steady uptrend. You can see on the daily. No real volume to back this up. I do have my indicators as far as the uh, RSIs, and this balance, and also this extreme buying, selling, and absorption for the lower time frames, sometime around 4 hours. So here we have a top. All right, this is the daily top where a price may reject. If we can come up to that, we had selling off right here. So I do have some activity for there for NQ. Let's go to ES because that's what I usually start with. And then we're gonna dive further. And I did do my recap for yesterday, and price I was long, and I was able to catch a little quick move up. Price did go way further than I expected, but um, Trump was speaking, and usually when he speaks, the market actually does actually move up for some reason. So there's that. And so just basically in a sense an indicator that you could probably bank on if everything matches up with your technical analysis. So just like NQ, we're on an uptrend, no volume behind it to back it up. Price is just moving up just to be moving up. We can see that volume is actually decreasing. As far as the average volume, we're tanking here. We're decreasing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour ebbing and flowing. We do have some nice buying right around here. Heavy buying again right here. This is around the open. There's no heavy buying here on Wednesday, the 22nd. I don't think that was a significant day. Yeah, that was just 2 days ago. We have some heavy buying here on Tuesday. No buying on Monday because Monday was Martin Luther King Jr. Day and also the inauguration, but price did fluctuate towards the end. I guess when Trump was being inaugurated, price just basically fluctuated. Moved down a lot and then moved up. Strong heavy buying here, absorption here, absorption there. So that's that, but I don't really use these too much on the higher time frame, but I am monitoring price action. I can move that, and as you can see that we had some bit of an absorption. Maybe price is absorbing, I don't know, but we had a buy that failed. I think we're probably focusing more on this right now. We do have a lot of buying activity on the 4 hour. A lot of buying activity on the 4 hour. Also, we're still on an uptrend on the 1 hour. Probably have, not really. They've got an uptrend on the 1 hour. Strong buying activity here. We hit this Monday close. I don't know why I have it as Monday close, but apparently it was important enough for me to mark it. Maybe it was a half day on that Monday. Let's go back to the 4 hour to see if I could find out what day that was. Monday close is at the 16th. I have no idea why, but I wrote down Monday close, and it was a significant thing here. I don't know. All right. 1 hour uptrend, 4 hour uptrend, 30 minutes uptrend. We have a bottom down here. We're still in the uptrend. We have strong buying here. We have a very strong end of day volume right here. We're kind of inside of it, so I don't know what to really too much make of it. We do have a top right here. We did clear down here a little bit, so this is going to be my new top. I don't really have anything here to back up any of the rest of this stuff here. I did have a trend line that looked like it's being broken, we had a bit of absorption and price did move up a little bit. So let me mark my 30-minute mark here. I'm going to get rid of this Monday close and replace it with this trend line. And then let's drop this right here. That. So we got 30-minute top. Bam. All right. This here, we don't have anything here to really back this up, but this is important and this is important. That's all I got so far. We have some strong volume. All right. 30-minute end of day volume, strong buy, bottom of the range. We'll keep it like that. And then, right, I really like it when price is above it or below it, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Alright, we do have some stuff here, strong buy. Maybe we'll find something here, but I think I already did these all last night. I didn't check here, but this is new. This is also new. Alright, let's go to the 15-minute. And we don't see anything at all to help support any of this. We do have this here. It looks like price is holding this 15-minute range. You can see price bounce, pushed up, came back down, and then now basically kind of respecting it. Alright, so 15-minute, but we did clear it, so I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'm probably going to get rid of it. I don't like having things that have been cleared already, and doesn't seem like a very significant level. Nothing here yet. We do have the 3 o'clock, nothing really there that I can trust. Nothing over here. Alright, so we do have this right here, right, for my 15-minute. This is also where price paused. So this is going to be essentially a demand zone. We see that price had a pause break. We had the RSIs, pause, and then break up, more RSI, pause, and then more RSIs, right? So around here maybe, but I'm going to focus on these down here. We have an absorption right there also. Okay, so now we have an absorption over there as well. I think today we did have a 8:30 news. Jump on a H-18 visa, not just engineers but all levels. Okay. Yeah, I am live. Okay. So we're inside of this huge buying activity on also the 15-minute. So this is really like weird. I'm gonna probably end up moving this and then just focusing down here, because this is not too much of a big move. Get rid of this trend line. This is an area where price bounced. I wanted to potentially get long here, but price continued. Alright, let's go to the 5-minute. Alright, so we have strong selling activity. 5-minute right here. I like this one. that. Got this here like that. I'm going to get rid of this. Keep that there. We have strong selling activity here. What time? What is this? This is 6152.25. Low 61. Yeah, this is our selling area. So our stop loss have to be above there. There's also plus 5-minute strong selling. And we broke, right? We have absorption right here. This kind of got cleared, created a new one here at the top, got cleared. So just like this whole area here is just one big cluster. Still nothing here from those things that I drew. We can see that our 5-minute is about here to here, straight buying, strong buying activity still. We finally had an absorption into it. Alright, probably would have tried to get this one, would have failed, would have had to just wait until price reclaim and then maybe get this little small move up. But we're going to mark this one. I like this area here. It's going to be my 5-minute absorption bottom. 5-minute bottom absorption. Alright, so kind of encompasses some of this buying right here. So price can kind of stay here. What is this? Why didn't I see the name? Oh, because I might delete that. But look, we're kind of holding it. Look how neatly we're holding that level. We picked it up. We're still holding it. So this is a level that I need to, I got to respect it. I can't ignore this. All right, 1 minute. Holding it freaking nicely. Okay. I'm going to mark this 1 minute right here. This is the 1 minute area where I wanted to buy. I wanted to buy up here, and then price tanked and then pushed up, and then we had an absorption. This would have been a nice area to buy and continue price higher. So I would end up with a loss, and then we had absorption to actually push price higher. So you can't really tell which one is going to work out or when it's going to work out. Just gotta keep your losses as minimal as you can, and then kind of fill out the market. Look at this nice absorption here. Is this, did I mark this one as the 15-minute? Let me show it. All right, look at that. I like this, right? Higher time frame, producing stuff that we can work with. Very nice. Damn. And then price freaking exploded. Held the heck out of this level. Held the buying, selling, right above this whole thing right here, and then just took off. All right. This level here I am very interested in. This is also 1 minute cluster plus 1 minute bottom cluster. So 1 minute bottom cluster. I like to see price really come down to here at 6130 areas and bounce. Let's zoom out so we can zoom back in. Yeah. Alright, so we have that. We have failed buying over here. So this area here is significant for me also. Okay. And then we have the 1 minute bottom. Also an absorption right here. the bottom, and then we have the top. One minute top and absorption. It's kind of like in a tight range right now. All right, kind of in a tight range right now, but we need to clear these. So I cannot try to, gun ho here. We got a selling pressure here. All right, so we have selling pressure right here. Selling pressure. And then top. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Yeah, I like this. Definitely see price come down to here. Yeah, but this 61.49, 61.50 area really has been like stopping price. All right, let's go to NQ. NQ is holding the tops, the highs. I mean, let's go to the daily one more time. Uptrend, 4 hour buying, definitely buying down here. We're still in an uptrend. 1 hour, still in an uptrend. Absorption down here. All right, some buying over here. We're kind of holding that. 30 minutes. All right, that's my top there. So price can still move a little higher. All right. Oh, I didn't do ES. Go back to ES. I know I did the end of day volume. I'm still gonna double check my end of day volume. That's right. Oh, this one here. Minute. I just want to see how price is reacting around it. That one is no bueno. See, we have some absorption. The price moved up. 1 minute. Interesting right here. Here. Some out. So it's a bit confusing, but I'm going to do myself a favor and probably just delete these because, like I said, we need to be way above and way below. So save myself the headache. This can stay because we have been testing it. Bit of a resistance, and then now we have that. So that one will stay. Maybe we'll sell off, or maybe we'll just break through it, and we're creating liquidity right up here. Because this is definitely showing me liquidity vibe, where price will just go up and just take whoever thing price is selling off, and then it just go up. Let's go to NQ. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're in an uptrend again, like I said. 1 hour I did that earlier, uptrend, and then let's go to our normal time frame, the 30 minute, which I marked earlier. We're in an uptrend, and I'm now doing the end of day volume. Okay, got that going on, and this one here tells me what it is. I'm very colored. Alright, let's go to the, look at this sideways action. Chop, 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 even into the open. Then chop, 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 up. Now we're just chopping right into this volume. We chopped inside this buying thing. 15 minute. same thing as yes. Strong buying here that we're holding. Five minute. No RSIs. Got this one. Got that one there. Cleared it. Here. That one can go. Just 5 minute. Like that. And then we got the 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna have to definitely dive into this 1 minute. Slow it down. Okay. We got this cluster. One minute bottom. Got this cluster here. I want to take it right here, but I'm gonna drag it from over here. It's also 1 minute bottom cluster. The high volume here over top. Something about believing that, hey, you're a trader, a day trader is something that's like, I guess, surreal. 1 minute top, day V. Was it the largest? Yep, it was. Alright, that one I'm definitely interested in. You can see we came to it already. Okay. Zoom out. We are definitely catching strays. Zoom out more. That one's been cleared. Alright, so now we're over here. Got a ton of cluster. At a 1 minute bottom, so things that needs to be cleared. I prefer to have them than to not have them and wonder like I did earlier this week, because that really pissed me off. I was looking for so much out of the trade, and trade was like, no, we're done. We're done giving you stuff. And I was really forcing the trade to give me everything that it couldn't give me. And only if I had these marked, that I wouldn't have been dealing with that. Alright, just marking these RSIs. I don't care it's too much because price will go where price wants to go. So alright. So NQ has a nice good amount of range to move in. It definitely needs to clear these lower time frame RSIs. Let's go to the 30 minute and let's look at the 3 o'clock. We can see that the 3 o'clock bounced off of this bottom here, so this is definitely significant for me. It's large buying range here. Maybe we won't reach that or not. Maybe we will. Go to ES. This is the ES 3 o'clock-ish area. Absorption. Look like we're kind of trying to get off of it. We can see that price is not really clear on how it wants to produce itself, aside from the fact that it looks like we might be on a downtrend. Might be, but I think right now we're just moving sideways. I'm gonna go to my chart, my thing here. Go to the economic calendar. Open up Forest Factory. I think we had something at 8:30. We did not. 9:45. 9:45 is gonna be something significant. It's an hour from now. And then 10 o'clock. So 9:45 and 10. I went for my clock to appear. There goes my clock. I was a little early today, much earlier than I expected. Thank you. Alright. Let's do our settlement prices. Settlement price, all up here. It's a lot going on up here. It's just a lot. Because basically, ES is basically at the higher days. All-time highs, I should say. A lot going up here. So this is definitely an area of the price can reject. Definitely need to make sure we reject. Have a lot of things off the top, the settlement price, a high of day, the 1 minute top. And we also have some other level they never reached. NQ is not at its high of days yet, or all-time highs yet, but ES I believe is at or near its all-time highs. All right, very near, right? Not too much to go. Like it's like right there. Price is about 21 points away, so it's like right there. All right. We got settlement price. We got everything that we need underneath the sun. A nice buy rejection. I like that. I like this buy rejection. Buy into it, reject it. So yeah, I like to see a price move back up to that. I'll take this little 8 points, something like this. So we're risking about 2 points, 6 points, and if price does go, that's where I like price goes for these 12 points. That's what I would love to see. All right, so we have that 5 minute absorption. Probably look for something like that on the 1 minute. Out. I think I am done with these. Let's go to VIX. VIX did climb gap up this week. See, we're holding these here. Looks like it's trying to climb back down. All right, strong bottom there. Let's go to our 30 minute like we usually go to. 30 minute look like chop suey. This is disgusting to look at. Got a low right here. I don't know what is it trying to do. And then we got a high over here. And that's essentially it. We're basically in this cluster fart. And this farting cluster. Absorption up here. Let's bring this up to that 16.8 area. Minute. Absorption. And then let's go to the 5 minute. Okay. All right. So that's essentially it. We can do look at all the charts. Bring this forward. You can see that we don't really have much stopping price going any kind of direction really on the higher time frame, right? There's really nothing there besides my levels. So, but we're in a significant uptrend. We do have this weird downtrend happening here. The 15 minute doesn't have anything, so we're still in an uptrend positive. We do have these bottoms, but nothing really stopping price. If we go to the standard chart, let's look at the standard chart. You know, we don't really have a clear direction of the market, but our lower time frame gives us some play. So this is a buy area, looking for something that helps us buy, sell area, looking for something that helps us sell. We're just in those ranges, so we could be going sideways today. Pretty much it. I am going to, I don't even see my lower panel bookmark showing itself. Why don't I see the absorption line? Look at my other chart. Yeah, see, that's not showing that one is an absorption candle. All right, boom, where that red is, it's not showing that. But let's find out why. Make sure that everything is lined up correctly. 1, 15, 3, paint charts, no. Exponential, no. They're just not showing it. Global, apply. I don't really like putting it at the bottom. I like to see it happening on the chart. If I paint the bars, then I get this. Right now, you see it here. Then I get these here, and I could probably make this for up candles and down candles in the global. Aggressive sell, aggressive buy, and then the default. If I make them all white, you get this. Make them all gray, get this, which I'm probably fine with. I mean, doesn't really bother me too much. And then so I reset it to factory, and I do, yeah, like that. I get that. I'm basically trading with gray candles, right? No more up candles and down candles. Everything is just what we see. Yeah, what's wrong with that? Alright, that way I can just focus on what's important. Volume and where price is. Alright, and I can see those things or those candles there. Probably even with these, yeah. So we'll get rid of the things, and I'll paint these candles lower there. Boom. Alright, that's essentially it. Oh, I need to get rid of I do not need that. I never asked for that. Thank you for your kindness. Alright, so there we go. So I can see those little things there. I can make notes of them. I don't have to run to them, right? For these, I do like the absorptions more than the buys and the sells, because then I have too many candles to look at. So I think I'm going to get rid of the selling on here. Or maybe not. We have the strong buying, because I might use those for that, like the pullbacks. You see that? I'll buy into this level, and we sold off. Because we uptrend, we're down below it, pull back, drop. Alright, kind of like what I would want. Okay, I'll leave those there. Alright, I am done. I have my settlement price, I have my highs and my lows. News comes out in 45 minutes, so 15 minutes after the market opens. Okay, that's it for today. So we'll see how we do, and I'm just taking our